Good morning, DC Nation. Today we're talking about re-rating of a GVWR. That's a question we get quite a lot. Can we change the GVWR rating of a trailer? So the answer is yes. Number one rule, we just can't go up. When we establish a GVWR for a trailer, say call it like one of these, like a F-Max or a HXD 210, it's rated at 23. We can't go up, but we can go down. Say you need a heavier duty trailer and want the heavier axles and running gear but don't need the rating, that's cool, we got you there. Just something to remember though, once it is an adjusted rating or not and that trailer is registered, it can't be changed after it's registered, so keep that in mind. A couple of ways you can do this. Number one, if you're building a trailer online, put it in the comment box so that when the dealer that's quoting it, when they go to order it for you, they can relay that to the factory. Number two, if you find a trailer on a dealer's yard that you want re-rated, you can actually let them know and they can inquire with the factory and get that re-rating accomplished for you as well. So something to keep in mind when you're talking about re-rating though, is that this rating follows the trailer for its life. Since we cannot adjust it after registration, when you go to resell it, it's gonna have this rating on the trailer. So if you downrate it, say LPX 208 rated at 18,000, you want it at 9890 or at 12,000, know that that's with it for life. After that, it can't be changed. So it could impact the resale because it may not, be as attractive to a prospective buyer. So keep that in mind. But yes, work with your dealer either on a build your own on a new build or in stock inventory. We can re-rate to accomplish the job you need to do.